Oh, look who it is. Garden. Gonna put the card in for the lights. The smallest stateroom in the world. With the most storage, though. Why are you hiding behind me? You don't want to be on my video?
No.
Look, open concept. Bed, toilet, shower, sink. Wow. Sit on the bed, brush your teeth, piss, all at the same time. Trundle bed from the ceiling. Fancy schmancy sofa. Got a little door in there. Close your door. Okay. Not the storage there. That's the only thing you can't see it. You can't use it anymore.
Oh, your video is...
Oh, okay. That's me. You don't want to be in my video? You don't want to be in my video? Decorated for kid's birthday. I like the light. This is pretty cool.
Yeah, I like that.
That's pretty cool, that dome light. Balcony. Oh, man. You said wait. Ah! I sound like that. It's a big balcony, though. Enchantment of the seas. Harmony.
Shat.
Yeah, it's a shat. Yeah.
Shat.
A piece of shat right there. But anyway, got Harmony of the Seas. Decorate for kid's birthday. Whole storage. Tiny room. Believe it or not, most storage we ever had. All this. Really deep closets. Everything in there. Tons of storage under the bed. Mini fridge. Coffee machine. Only cruise line we ever been on gives you a coffee machine and ice every day. So, but anyway, that's it. Our humble abode for our Thanksgiving Day cruise. Happy birthday, Kayla. Deuces. Like this week, better. Deuces.